Welcome to our channel. If you want to activate your Philo subscription and start watching live TV and on-demand content, follow these step-by-step instructions for quick setup. Step 1. Open your web browser and visit the official Philo website at philo.com. Make sure you're on the legitimate site to protect your information. Step 2. Click on the Try Free or Sign Up button to begin creating your account. Philo typically offers a free trial period for new subscribers. Step 3. Enter your email address and create a secure password for your Philo account. Use a combination of letters, numbers, and symbols for better security. Step 4. Choose your subscription plan from the available options. Philo offers affordable packages with different channel lineups. Step 5. Enter your payment information, including credit card details, or select an alternative payment method. Even if you're starting with a free trial, payment information is typically required. Step 6. Review and accept the terms of service and privacy policy. Make sure you understand the billing terms and cancellation policy. Step 7. Complete the sign-up process and wait for a confirmation email from Philo with your account details and welcome information. Step 8. Download the Philo app on your preferred devices or start watching directly through the website. Log in with your new credentials and begin exploring the channel lineup and on-demand library. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.